Hey, Chris Lipe here. Welcome back to my channel. Last week, I did a tribute video for Chris Cornell. And after I released that video, I had people asking me, hey, you should do a video on how to sing like Chris Cornell. And I almost wasn't going to do it, but I thought I would share a little bit today on how to sing sort of like Chris Cornell, how to blend up into those higher notes, and how to sing powerfully across your whole range. So several years ago, before I'd figured out how to expand my range like Chris Cornell, I remember reading an article online, and for whatever reason, I started making cat noises. Meow, meow. I started imitating, and then I started making loud cat noises, which would be, meow, meow, meow. And then I started doing some serious introspection while I was making these cat noises. This is a true story, by the way. I'm using a different voice when I'm doing that. Actually, I can actually get really powerful by doing So that's how I discovered how to inject some Chris Cornell into my voice. Take it or leave it, but I encourage you to try it for yourself if you're at all curious. Again, for more tips on improving your voice, for freeing your voice, join my free vocal course below. We'll see you for more.